Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send XDC from Coinbase to your Arculus wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just brushing up on the latest steps, this tutorial will help you do it safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First off, make sure you have both your Coinbase account set up and verified and the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device. This is crucial for a smooth transfer. Open your Arculus Wallet, navigate to the XDC section, and copy your wallet address. It's that long alphanumeric string you'll need next. Now, hop over to the Coinbase app or website and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, go to your dashboard and find your XDC holdings. Click on the Send or Withdraw option to start the process. In the Send form, paste the Arculus wallet address you copied earlier. Double-check it for accuracy. Typos here can lead to lost funds, so take your time. Then, enter the amount of XDC you want to send. Keep in mind any network fees. It's smart to leave a little extra to cover them. Review all the details on the confirmation screen, including the recipient address and amount. If everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll receive a notification or email from Coinbase once the transaction is initiated. Head back to your Arculus wallet and refresh it to see if the XDC has arrived. Transfers usually take a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion in 2025. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it some time. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets, and never share your private keys. Scams are common in crypto, so stay vigilant. There you have it. That's how to send XDC from Coinbase to Arculus in 2025. It might seem intimidating at first, but with these steps, you'll be a pro in no time. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.